Hey guys, are you ready for the coolest set of gorgeous gadgets for your room? We have something really incredible here, something floating, holographic, and spiced up with an alien-level sound. Are you interested? Stay to the end. It's so important to feel warm and comfy when it's cold outside. It's a powerful heater which is smart, safe, and easy to use, so you'll enjoy gratifying warmth in just a few seconds. In Eco Mode, the heater will automatically detect the temperature in your room and adjust the power, which could save energy costs while keeping you cozy in the winter. The heater's equipped with a special sensor that prevents overheating. Plus, the gadget will shut off automatically if it tips over. It's also really silent, so you can use it in the bedroom. The comfortable handle makes the heater easy to move. Featured with 12-hour timer and auto shutoff and remote control, you can easily control the heater without getting up from bed or sofa. LED display and touch control is also optional for your easy operation. You can find the link to the product in the description. Spending hours in front of your PC, either at work or at home, may cause pain in the lower back muscle and impart soreness on the thighs and calves due to unsupported feet. Get rid of it with your comfy foot hammock. It's suitable for most desk types, with or without a side apron. Just buckle the two hooks at both ends to your table and then wedge the ropes between the two hooks. You can adjust the distance between the two sides of the rope. The new fixed rubber-footed clamps can be adjusted to your most comfortable position and fixed, so don't worry, your hammock won't slide or fall down. There are 3 colors to choose from: orange, green, and black. The fabric's soft, non-abrasive, and makes it comfortable for you to stay put longer with your legs up without any discomfort. Stay productive. Even in the Google Maps age, globes still remain a cool interior accessory, especially this one because it can float in the air. This levitating effect is achieved by a complex magnetic system. The installation is extremely simple and requires just a few seconds. Just plug the device in and do your best to put the globe over the base. It also enables automatic spinning, featuring a 6-inch size. The globe is compact enough to fit your desk or coffee table. The book-shaped base will fit any interior. You can also use the built-in LED light and turn the globe into a cool night lamp. The gadget's made of durable plastic, which is completely washable. Keep a piece of magic by your side. And here's a more personal heating device worth your attention. This flannel blanket is equipped with an electronic heating system that supports 10 temperature settings. With the included remote control, you can also set timers from 1 to 9 hours. The white buttons on it will keep it from slipping off. The power cable is 6.5 feet long, so you won't have to stick to your socket. The electronic components are easily detachable, so this blanket's also machine washable. And with the overheat protection, it's completely safe to use. This strange mechanism looks like one of Leonardo da Vinci's great inventions. Actually, it's just a calendar. This is a self-assembly model, so now everyone can feel themselves a genius. The puzzle isn't that hard, though. All the elements are precisely laser cut, and every number is clearly visible. When fully assembled, this thing perfectly does its job. This is a perpetual calendar that allows you to see both the future and past dates simply by rotating the wheels. From now on, you can easily set the year and the month to find out what day of the week it's going to be, and plan your future activity. It'll definitely make a unique decoration for your desk. Please don't tell me that you already have a calendar on your phone. If you like the calendar, here are some wooden models you might find amusing. Be careful, these are pretty tough. This beautiful safe, for instance, consists of 260 pieces. Unlike many other puzzles, this one is really functional. It's large enough to store some valuables. It may also act like a uniquely crafted piggy bank since it has slots for coins and paper money. You can create a 3-digit code to open it. Next up, there's a great retro cabriolet. This set includes 740 pieces, and all these tiny elements are functional. Cabriolet has a working engine, which is able to set a car into running front and back, opening doors, rotating steering wheel and front wheels, including repair kit, and opening hood and rear trunk. Finally, check out this incredible marble machine. In this case, you'll have to deal with 250 pieces. The movement's completely mechanical and doesn't require electricity. You start the machine by simply rotating the crank and then watch the balls move in a mesmerizing dance. Which model looks most stunning to you? Star Wars-themed gadgets must be futuristic, so this Death Star night lamp uses holographic technology to create 3D illusion. The built-in LEDs support 7 different colors. They can automatically change each other with 4 patterns to match your mood. Brightness level is also adjustable. The installation is extremely easy, and it won't take much of your time. The gadget's USB powered, so you can plug directly to your PC or laptop Or you can use batteries and give up the cable. Or maybe you'd prefer to have a glowing companion. There's a similar lamp that depicts the iconic hero from the Star Wars universe, R2-D2. Looks just as amazing. Welcome to Sci-Fi World. It's an alien technology that's just fallen on our planet, but it looks cute. This speaker delivers 10 watts output power and really deep bass thanks to the full-range subwoofer drivers. The zinc alloy body provides great durability and enhanced resonance. Triangular support structure absorbs shock and ensures the stability of the speaker. There are also 6 built-in RGB lights that make the device look even brighter. The speaker supports wireless connection via Bluetooth with any device within a 50-foot range. Moreover, it's waterproof, so it's perfectly suitable for pool parties and any other outdoor adventures. The rechargeable 1500 mAh battery provides up to 10 hours of use and will turn off automatically after 30 minutes of inactivity. USB-C cables included in the box. Almost forgotten, true wireless stereo tech allows 2 Gravastar speakers to work together at the same time. Enjoy! Let's take steampunk to a whole new level. This watch combines vintage technology with a modern premium look. The case and delicate tubes are made from aircraft aluminum. The tubes produce no noise or heat, use very little energy, and light up only when you need it. The wire numbers are typographically designed and shaped for perfect legibility. The case also has 2 red buttons and comes with a magnet which must be used to set the time. Don't worry, it's included in the package. It's really simple and might even be fun. Thanks to high efficiency, the watch runs for up to 6 days on a single charge. A handy dock station is also included in the package. The watch is equipped with 2 diodes to show the charging status either with red or green light. There are several straps to choose from and 2 colors, silver and black. Oh, and you'll get a lifetime warranty for the watch and all its pieces due to its delicate chemical components. Cool.
Have you ever heard of smart lights but have been dissuaded by an electrical engineer? No panic, LIFX lights work like normal bulbs. Take out, screw in, turn on. The A19 is a modern, powerful smart light for every space. It boasts trillions of colors, plus massive cool-to-warm white range. The A19 can reach a blinding 1100 lumens. All LIFX lights are Wi-Fi connected, so you don't need an accompanying bridge or hub to get started. For hands-free help, you can ask an assistant. Its brightness is equivalent to 75-watt bulb. This bulb allows you to manage your light in the room using special app. With the home screen, you'll be able to access and control all the lights in a location. You can choose the flame, flicker or move mode, target the exact lights you want, group the lights, and save them as favorites. Why not try it out now?